1. Take your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail. Then take the lower part of the hair. Small section of the hair is taken and then plaits are made out of it. Then that plait is put inside the gaps of the upper part. Then take the lower remaining end, tie it properly with a rubber band. Then insert it quickly and properly through the gap of another part of the hair, and then when you are done, decorate it properly with your favorite bobby pin and it should give it a flowery look. Take your hair, divide it into sections of hair, and along with that section, roll that part of the hair upwards in a circular form, giving it a straight linear look, and then after done, roll it and around it like a circle. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail, then simply take that ponytail and roll it around the rubber band, securing it properly with a back pin. You can also secure it with a bobby pin, giving it a fluffy look by pulling out few strands of hair from all the sides. Take your hair, make it in the form of half ponytail. Take the lower end, one half of the hair is put inside the gap and the other half is tied with a rubber band. Then take that rubber bandy part again and tie it again with a rubber band to the lower end and insert the loose parts inside, securing it properly with a bobby pin and back pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail. Take the lower part of the hair, tie it properly with a rubber band. Take the lower end again, tie it again with a rubber band. Roll it upwards just as shown in the video and then secure it properly with a Juda pin or a back pin, giving it a Juda circular look. Now the end result is to decorate it. Take your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail. Then give it a fluffy look by pulling out few strands of the hair. Take the small sections of the hair from the sides and repeat the same process as you did earlier with the upper part of your hair. And when you are done repeating the same process 3 times, repeat the same process again one more time, and then when you are done, tie the lower part of the hair with a rubber band. Comb the lower part, tie it again with a rubber band, and then roll it upwards in the form of a heart and then decorate it properly with small Juda pins. Take your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail. Take the lower end, tie it again with a ponytail. Divide the ponytail into 2 equal halves and take those 2 halves and insert it inside the upper parts of the hair. Take the lower remaining end, tie it with a rubber band again and tie the lower part of the hair again with a rubber band. Make a gap, insert the loose ends of the hair through that gap, roll it around the circular part and then decorate it. Take your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail. Take the lower part of the hair, tie it again with a ponytail. Then divide the ponytail into 3 equal halves and tie 2 halves of the hair with a ponytail at a rubber band. Then take the middle end, make plaits out of the middle part of the hair and then insert that middle part into the 2 parts, securing all the 3 together, rolling it upwards with your favorite back pin. Thank you for watching.